Well guys, this is it. This is episode 4 of Craftober. This is not the end of Craftober, but this is the end of this diorama, mainly because I have like a trillion more ideas I want to work on. Today we're going to finish up the graveyard scene. I'll show you how to make this little church and stained glass window. And then, yeah, if you're new here, I'm doing a series where I craft something every day of October, and then every other day or so make a tutorial for you guys. And at the end of the month, we're going to celebrate Halloween with our dioramas together. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye. First, to make the window, I drew the outline on a piece of parchment paper. Then I used polymer clay to outline the shapes for the windowsill. This is UV resin. It cures within seconds once it's exposed to ultraviolet light. I tinted it with acrylic paint. Then I used a UV flashlight to cure the back. Using the same techniques from episode 1, but just in greater detail, I made this rock wall for the outside of the church. I mixed Elmer's glue and a little water to make a sealant for the foam. Then I used the same painting technique from the previous episodes. I used hot glue to install our stained glass window. I decided to go over the ground with some static grass. You can purchase a static grass applicator on Amazon, however, I built my own. This process causes the grass to stand up in a more realistic way. Using a mixture of tacky glue and water, I'm dipping cotton to mold a shape of tiny ghosts for our tree. This way, when it dries, it'll be hard like paper mache. I'm using a white glue and water mixture to paint vines onto the side of our church. Then I'm sprinkling it with some of the same flocking that I used for the grass. And it's all done. This is the finished result. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Go.
It's always